Next, I want to go to a schematic, and I want to use external. I want to connect to external board with I2C, not UART, not UART. I changed my mind. I want to now change another thing. So I want to use I2C in here. So what I want to do, let's just go to datasheet and see I2C. I2C is these pins. Pin 1.4 is SDA. Let's copy and paste it. SDA pin 1.4. 1.4 is SDA place net label 1.4. Let's hit tab and SDA and call it MCU SDA. Click it and bring it out like the other. Hold Control and do this, and now go to here. SCL is 1.3. let's copy with Control C and place net label, hit tab, and in here SCL is 1.3 and put MCU in here. Let's just click here and make it. Hold Control so you can change its position. So all the other board, let's just make all the other board, we can, if we have external board that we have, maybe we have, we can just control it with I2C. Let's just go to library and in my old library and find a header. Header 4 pin is okay. Let's just place it here, and now we want 5 volt here. Let's just copy and paste it from here with Control C, paste it here. That's okay. Let's just give it a ground as well. I copy and paste it with Control C, Control V, and then connect these two to here. Let's just change this position and connect these to here. And let's just animate it. You know that when you add another component, you should animate it. Let's just animate it. You see, I did annotate it. And update our PC with new changes. Execute. And you see, this is not what we want. Let's just go here and double click in here. You see, we want to change its type. Click here to see if it's what we want. This is what we want. Let's just hit enter and go to design, update, and update it. Execute changes. So you see, now it is okay. I think this way is cool. Let's just see it in 3D, and now you can see it. If there was another board, will be connected to this, and we can control it by I2C.